Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If you're new here, my name is Marta or Marta. You can roll your R's, all fancy, but either way is fine. We good here. A few videos back, I talked to you guys about like an oil that was good for my scars. Today, I want to talk about something that bothers me every single day and that I struggle with, and maybe some of you struggle with as well, and that is pores. So I've always struggled with having enormous pores, and I'll show you in a close-up there without all the makeup. I just have these dots all over my nose, and this area is the worst right here. I hate it. So I'm always having to pack on the primer before I put foundation on, or I look like I have a moon for face with craters. It's fun. Now I finally found something that can minimize my pores. I want to talk to you guys today about Alya Skin. This is the company, okay? This is an Australian-based company, which excites me so much because I'm in Australia. That's a dream. Like, Australia is paradise. This is their Australian pink clay mask. This mask is dermatologist approved, and it's all natural. Like, it's made from the clay and a bunch of other local ingredients that they have there in Melbourne, and it's also cruelty-free and vegan. It's pink. Look how stinking beautiful it is, and it smells like earth. Is that a weird thing to say? It smells like earth. I'm actually an official ambassador for them now, which is really freaking cool. I love to connect with a company that promotes something that is natural, cruelty-free, and all about skin and health and like inner beauty. I mean, makeup is amazing, obviously. I love makeup, but I think we need to work on our skin, like our base. We need to work on our base, our what's it called? Our canvas. We gotta fix our canvases, ladies. So so this mask is known for minimizing pores, and I have been using it probably like every 3 days. I know I do it like twice a week. I've been using it like twice a week for like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, something like that. And my pores have really minimized, especially right after you use it. You have the softest skin ever. So this is a mud mask, like a clay mask, so it gets, here I'll show you in a little video, a little clip of me doing it. I make sure like everything is out of my way, like all my hair out of my way, and I put kind of a thick layer on. The thinner you go, the faster it's gonna dry, but I like to pack it on pretty thick, and I use like one of those little brushes. I've been into masks like crazy. I love how to like have a spa day like by myself, you know? Treat yourself, ladies, treat yourself. I put this all over my face. I leave it sit for probably like 20 minutes, honestly. If I'm like busy and I let it go for an hour, it's not that big a deal. It just gets really stiff. Like, it's not one of those mud masks that just slide around and don't really do anything. This gets the job done. It sinks into your skin. You can't move your face at all, which is a really good feeling because you know that it's working, but it's not sticky enough where you're gonna rip hair off when you take it off or anything. It's not like that, but it's so detoxifying and rejuvenating, and it's amazing. So how I like to take it off is use a warm rag and rub it off little by little. I used to like splash the water on my face and go crazy, but that became a mess. So you just get a warm rag and start to push it off, and you're gonna see your skin looking like so smooth, a little red, but like in a cute way, you know, like a cute red, like I just got cleaned kind of way. And immediately after using it, you can already see how much your skin is radiating and your pores are smaller. And obviously if you use this more often, you're really gonna see the pores decrease. And if you wanna like save it and not use this so quickly, just put it on the areas where you have pores. So maybe do the full face like once every 2 weeks, but then like twice a week, just do it where you have your pores, you know? I actually have pores here too. You can't see them, but I have pores mostly right here where I put my contour, and then right here. But you could do that and use less product and make it last longer. But consistency is definitely key with this, but even after one use, it looks so good and you feel so good. So as usual, I don't like to collab unless I get a discount code for my babies. So you guys get 15% off if you use the code Martita Style. It might have to be all capital letters. I'm not really sure. Try it with all caps. But Martita Style at checkout will give you 15% off of this product. Some people aren't into masks. I recently, like, I was never into masks, and I just started getting into masks this year, like a few months ago, and I can't go back now. Like, every night before bed, I use a mask. I have 4 masks. They each have a different purpose, and this one is my pore minimizer for soft skin. Okay, no holes in my face is my goal in life. Okay guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I post all things skin, beauty, and clothing related. Also follow me on Instagram if you're not already, because I am always updating in my story whenever I'm editing a video, posting a video, what companies I'm collabing with, and I do a lot of unboxings on there too, so those are really fun. I know some people like to see what I got in the mail, so definitely follow me on there. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys so much, and please let me know what you want me to check out next in review, because I definitely will take your suggestions, because I do this for you. You're my family. Okay, I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Look at the camera. Hey. Yours looks like you put icing all over your face. Mine actually looks like one solid thing.
But, because I'm not the best at mask putting.
That's okay, it'll still do the job. We look great. Family portrait. Christmas card. I'm sweating.
You are.
It's hot. Yours is so... Ooh, touch it. Touch the side.
Open the window. You get a nice breeze. That one's better.
Hold on. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibility. I just think about you. I don't remember the words. It's getting stiff. Oh, I missed a lot. You missed a lot. You look like a mommy.
Yeah.